Let me tell you something that no one has told you before, including me, and that is that you can make a better, faster bolognese in a wok. Let me show you how. Great bolognese, even like a fast version of bolognese, still needs to be like thick and rich and unctuously beefy. And there are many reasons why I think a wok is actually the best place to do that kind of bolognese. The first being that you need a really hard and fast sear on your beef if you're going to do a quick version. So let's do that first. Start off in a hot wok, add some oil, add in your beef and really spread it around, but don't touch it, let it sear. Sprinkle over a little bit of salt, and once you kind of see those crusty edges around the side, then you can go in and flip that beef over. Now be smelling like a really cool like hamburger style smell here. That's how you know you've got your hard sear. Now you can add in your pork. Break up the pork in with the beef. The reason why I use beef and pork is that beef gives you the flavor that you want. The pork has a lot more fat. So that's gonna give you a much more unctuous texture. Add in your onion and garlic, toss that around. Now add some tomato paste, and here's a little secret ingredient here, star anise. I always add it to beef dishes. It kind of enhances the meaty flavor. Add your tinned tomatoes. I like whole peeled. They like have a really beautiful bright intensity. Splash in a little bit of water there to get the remainder of the tomato out of the can and simmer for 10 minutes. Flavor is something you just can't fake, and that's so true when it comes to wok cooking. You know that really lovely like wok smoked flavor you get from a fried rice or a good stir fry from an Asian restaurant? Well, you just can't get that at home unless you have a really good wok, which is one of the reasons why I created the Mako. It's carbon steel, it's pre-seasoned, so you're already getting that non-stick ability, and also you're getting that beautiful seasoned wok flavor right from the beginning. And that's only gonna get better the more you use it. This is not a flavor you can replicate in like a Teflon pan or a pot or the wok that you hate that's sitting in the bottom of your cupboard. You really just need a good wok that's specifically designed to perform at its best at home. If you want to find out more and see like all the amazing things I've been cooking in my Mako, then head to my website. It's the only place you'll find the Mako, and I hope you love it just as much as I do. To really intensify the flavor of our quick bolognese, you want to look at these 3 ingredients here: miso paste, soy sauce, and you might not have guessed, but beef stock cubes. All 3 of these things are going to give you saltiness, but not just that, they're going to give you umami and savory characters as well. Simmer for another 5 minutes and then have a look. Thick, rich, beefy sauce. It just doesn't get better unless you add butter. Add the butter. Swirl it around, and now it's even better. To cook your pasta, you just need some salted boiling water. Tagliatelle is what I'm going with today, and then cook until al dente. Into a serving bowl, top that with your bolognese sauce, a little bit of parsley, and don't go away because what do we need here? We need cheese, of course, some olive oil, and there you go. So there we go, friends. This is my 15-minute bolognese. Let's get in here, shall we? You know what it is? It's the intensity. That real kind of like chunky beefiness is there. The tomato, the saltiness, all of that umami flavor. It's the kind of thing that literally tastes like it's been cooking forever, but we made it in 15 minutes. Yay for me and my Mako wok. Hey guys, if you like bolognese things or Asian cooking things or noodle things or dumpling things, I mean, I make a lot of things on my channel, but if you like any of those things, why not subscribe and then hit that little bell button as well so you always know when I'm eating or cooking something yummy.